There's a child sitting in a classroom right now, not because they choose to be, but because they have to. A child who's been labeled too distracted, too emotional, too much. But what if I told you that the same child is a leader in disguise?
Their minds are brilliant, their hearts are bursting with questions. But inside they're wondering, am I enough? Do I even matter? And why does it feel like I don't belong?
At some point we stopped seeing them and we started measuring test scores instead of self-worth. And while the world is telling them to be cool or quiet, their spirit is quietly breaking.
That's why I created the Human Potential Playground, a safe and engaging space where kids can stop hiding and start becoming.
In just 60 minutes, we help students reconnect with their confidence, their purpose, and their power to bounce back from setbacks. We don't lecture, we activate through gamified learning, story-driven coaching, and real emotional tools. We help students rewrite the scripts in their heads.
They leave knowing that they are significant, that they belong, that they have a unique fingerprint that the world needs.
Imagine the ripple effect when even one misunderstood child discovers their purpose and that they're more than enough. That's not just confidence, that's a future forever changed.